Welcome to Healthy Foods YouTube channel. Here is uncovering hidden dangers, how obesity leads to deadly diseases. Learn life-changing prevention. 1. Cardiovascular diseases. Obesity is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Excess body fat can lead to high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, and increased strain on the heart. Prevention. Adopt a heart-healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Engage in regular physical activity to maintain a healthy weight and promote cardiovascular health. 2. Type 2 diabetes. Obesity is closely linked to insulin resistance, a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. Prevention. Maintain a balanced diet with controlled portions, focus on complex carbohydrates, and engage in regular exercise to help manage weight and improve insulin sensitivity. 3. Certain cancers. Obesity has been associated with an increased risk of several types of cancers, including breast, colon, and kidney cancers. Prevention. Adopt a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Engage in regular physical activity and maintain a healthy weight to reduce cancer risk. 4. Sleep apnea. Obesity, particularly excess fat around the neck, can contribute to sleep apnea, a condition characterized by interrupted breathing during sleep. Prevention. Maintain a healthy weight, as weight loss may improve or alleviate symptoms of sleep apnea. Seek medical advice if sleep disturbances are observed. 5. Joint problems. Excessive weight puts added stress on the joints, contributing to conditions like osteoarthritis. Prevention. Manage weight to reduce the strain on joints. Low-impact exercises and strength training can help support joint health. 6. Liver diseases. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFLD) is strongly associated with obesity. Prevention. Adopt a healthy diet and lifestyle, which includes limited intake of processed foods and sugary beverages. Regular exercise can also help prevent or manage NAFLD. 7. Mental health issues. Obesity has been linked to mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety. Prevention. Focus on a balanced diet to support both physical and mental well-being. Incorporate stress management techniques and seek professional help if needed. Preventing obesity involves adopting a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's essential to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice and guidance on weight management. Thanks for watching.